ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকের ক্লাসটি হলো ক্লাস 12-এর মডেল অ্যাক্টিভিটি টাস্ক। এই ক্লাস থেকে আশা করব ক্লাস 12-এর স্টুডেন্টরা খুব উপকৃত হবে। তোমরা যদি উপকৃত হয়ে থাকো তাহলে অতি অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো এবং বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করে দিও। এবার দেখে নেওয়া যাক এই মডেল অ্যাক্টিভিটি টাস্কে কী কী কোশ্চেন আছে। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন হলো ডিসকাস ইন ব্রিফ দ্য সিগনিফিকেন্স অফ দ্য টাইটেল দ্য আইস হ্যাভ ইট। আনসার: The title of Ruskin Bond's story, The Eyes Have It, is quite witty and befitting for the story. The story tells about a short and casual meeting of the blind narrator with the girl during a train journey. Considering her to be quite normal, he tries to conceal his blindness in every possible way. He even praises the girl's face and gives an account of the lovely scenic beauty of Missouri. The narrator, in his conscience, has created a beautiful portrait of the girl with the help of his imagination. It is interesting that after the girl's departure, the narrator discovers that the girl too is blind. The blind girl also establishes a smooth communion with the narrator spontaneously. Their physical eyes get deactivated, but their mental eyes become more active. Thus, the whole story revolves around the very theme of blindness and the appropriate power of inner eyes. So, the title of this story is appropriate. Question number 2. The poem on Killing a Tree describes the man's cruelty and violence to nature. Discuss. Answer: The poem on Killing a Tree is a satirical poem at man's violence and cruelty in killing a tree. A tree absorbs natural elements like sunlight, air, and water to grow up. Thus, it becomes a part of nature. Since then, it serves mankind in numerous ways. But modern man, out of selfish greed, kills a tree and thereby destroys nature. The poet describes the whole process of killing a tree. Neither a simple jab of the knife or hacking and chopping can kill a tree. So, in order to kill a tree, it has to be fully uprooted. Then the white and wet root has to be scorched and choked in the sun and air respectively. Then the act of killing a tree becomes complete. The poet uses a number of images of death to highlight man's cruelty and violence. Thus, he tries to arouse our love and sympathy for all its objects of nature. এই কোশ্চেনগুলো তোমরা পারলে স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে নেবে, তোমাদের লেখার ক্ষেত্রে সুবিধা হবে। Third question. Is the play The Proposal a farce? Justify your answer with close reference to the text. The play The Proposal is a farce. The farce is a broad satire that includes ridiculous situations, witty dialogues, crude characters, and buffoonery to produce laughter. As a farce, it does not contain any well-lit plot but represents situation. All the three characters, namely Chubukov, Lomov, and Natalia, exaggerated and farcical. Lomov comes with a marriage proposal, but Natalia and Chubukov argue with him, insult him, and almost drive him out of the house. But immediately after that, Natalia is keen to marry him and Lomov comes back. Chubukov's overexcitement, his arguments for the hunting dog, Squeezer, and his sudden suggestion, hurry up and get married, are no less funny. The characters are caricatures. Chubukov is maniac and hypocritic. The dialogues are innovatively witty. Lomov, old rat Jesuit. Chubukov, shut up or I will shoot you like a partridge, you fool. Question number 4. I shall try to be brief. Who is the speaker? Is the speaker successful in his or her purpose? Bring out the irony of the situation. এই কোশ্চেনে তিনটে পার্ট আছে। তিনটে পার্টের মধ্যে ফার্স্ট পার্টের আনসার হলো ইন অ্যান্টন চেকভস ওয়ান অ্যাক্ট প্লে দ্য প্রপোজাল লোমোভ ইজ দ্য স্পিকার। সেকেন্ড পার্টের আনসার Lomov is a nervous type of person. When Natalia confronts him, he ought to have proposed to her, but he cannot propose directly. He wants to finish briefly, but he begins by referring to their property at most friendly terms between the Lomovs and the Shubukovs. Thus, he is diverted from his purpose. Third pair answer. This long speech is not at all brief. This evokes laughter and puts the marriage proposal on the back burner. The irony lies in the situation. Lom's remark, "My oxen meadows," inflames Natalia. He is diverted from what he wanted to say, and the situation is completely changed. আমার এই ক্লাস থেকে তোমরা যদি উপকৃত হয়ে থাকো তাহলে অতি অবশ্যই আমার চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো এবং বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করে দিও। আর এই কোশ্চেনগুলো লেখার সময় তোমরা স্ক্রিনশট নিয়ে নেবে, তোমাদের লিখতে সুবিধা হবে। এইভাবে সুন্দর করে তোমরা খাতাটিকে তৈরি করে জমা দেবে। নমস্কার।